Look at this. You got your little classic here. A Dodge Challenger, of course. That's why it has the mean look to it. This is a really nice car, really nice painting. The paint, you can tell the painting was done by a professional. The hood looks fantastic. You got your little, is that a Dodge Singer? I don't even know. You got your alternator, you got your Mopar performance engine, you got your Ray bar, okay, your manifold. It's a really nice car, really nice car. Sick car too. Only a couple of these made, so having one of these is like the dream car for men and women. Sick car. I was gonna make an interview on that one, but you know. Nice cars. Look at that. That's a mean engine in there. Like your car.